Welcome to ShuoshuoChinese, 说说中文. I'm Shuo. In this video, I will tell you 9 commonly used measure words in Chinese. First of all, I want to explain to you what is measure word. There are measure words in English, like 3 cups of coffee, this pair of shoes, how many types of animals, what kind of person. Those type, pair, kind, or cup are measure words. But what is different in Chinese is we used measure word for almost all the nouns. Notice that I said almost. There are nouns that you cannot add a measure word before it. I will tell you what are them at the end of this video. If you ask me how many measure words are there in Chinese in total, I cannot answer you the question. I googled it, but I didn't find an exact number. What I know is we have a lot of measure words, like 300 up? I don't know, but don't get frustrated. In this video, I will tell you only 8 measure words that can cover 80% of the daily use situations. First of all, we will say a number like 1, 2, 3. A question word asking for a number like how many, how much, 几 or 多少. This, 这, that, 那, which, 哪 before a measure word. So the measure word is in the middle, then followed by different nouns. For example, we can say 3 measure word 人, 8 measure word 猫, 12 measure word 车. And then let's see what is the first measure word we're gonna talk about today. Ta-da! 个, correct. I bet most of you have heard of it before because 个 is the most commonly used measure word in Chinese. We use 个 with people, places, many objects. And when you don't know which measure word you should use, you can use 个 because you will have a highest possibility to get it correctly. Let's see some examples. 1个人 3个饭店 5个杯子. The second measure word, 本. 本 is for something that has the similar shape as a book. It has many pages and it looks like this. So you can say 一本书 一本本子 一本护照 一本杂志. Number 3, zhāng. Zhāng is the measure word used with flat things. So you can say 一张桌子 一张床 一张纸 一张信用卡. Number 4, 只. 只 is the measure word used with small animals. So you can say 一只狗 一只猫 一只鸡. Next one also pronounces 只, but you can see the Chinese character is different. This 只 is with pen, lipstick, cigarette. See the common point? Yes, their shape is like this. They are thin and relatively long. But for lipstick, you can just use the measure word 个. You can say either 一支口红 or 一个口红. For pen, you cannot use 个 as the measure word. You have to say 一支笔. The next measure word, tiáo, is also for something that is long and thin. But the difference is 条 used with something that is longer. For example, 一条裤子 一条裙子 一条河 一条蛇. And you also use 条 for skirt and short pants. 8. 件. 件 is the measure word for the top clothing, like the cloth on the top. So you can say 一件衣服 一件衬衫 一件 T 恤. But 件 can also used with a thing, a matter, or an event. Like 一件事. 我要告诉你一件事. Number 8. 辆. 辆 is the measure word for vehicles. So you can say 一辆车, 一辆火车, 一辆自行车. The last one. If you want to say the measure word of liquid or something that you put in the container, you can use the container itself to be the measure word. I mean, 一瓶水, a bottle of water. 一杯咖啡, a cup of coffee. 一碗饺子, a bowl of dumplings. These are all the measure words I want to tell you today. Don't be lazy, don't always use 个. Try to use different measure words. This sounds like a native Chinese right now. Now, I will tell you what are the words that you cannot add measure word in. All of them are time related. They are 年, year, 天, day, 周, week, 分钟, minute, 次, time as in one time, two times. So please don't say 一个年, 一个天, 一个分钟, 一个次. They sound so unnatural and so wrong. So these are all the content today. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. I'm sure I will see you in my next video. 再见。